Alright, people, let's try to set up Red Hat virtual machine on Oracle VirtualBox. For that, you need both the softwares. As you can see, I have downloaded both of them. Here's my VirtualBox, here's my Red Hat. Right, this Red Hat 10 version, which is the latest version right now, I have downloaded it from Red Hat official website. Now, let me go and let me first install VirtualBox. And it is always better to register with a Red Hat account. Of course, it is a free Red Hat account. Do register there, right? And you can download the latest version of this one, and make sure it is a DVD ISO, not a boot ISO. What is the difference? You need to figure it out. Generally, boot ISO will be of 1 GB or less than 1 GB, and DVD ISO will be this particular DVD ISO is of 8 GB. Right, once you're done installation of this one, I did nothing here. I just chose all next, and I agree to the terms and conditions. Then my installation is done right now. I'll just wait for a minute. All right. Okay, I'm just waiting for this thing to come back. My system is kind of slow. I don't have that heavy CPU or heavy RAM there. I just need to wait. Yeah, so once it is done, or once the installation is done, you'll see a something interface like this. Then what you do is click on new. It's going to ask you for a particular name for the operating system. You can give a name as just a second. It is not mandatory. You should mention it as Red Hat. You can pick any name there. Secondly, he's asking you where this operating system or where this virtual machine should be, installed or stored. Now, you need a 20 GB or plus 20 GB of hard disk space to install this virtual machine. So since I have enough space in my C drive, I'll just leave it as it is. But in case you guys don't have enough space on the C drive, you can pick any other drive. Just click on drop down menu, click on choose others. It'll redirect you to that place. You can pick whichever the drive has enough space, that particular drive for installation. Then once it is done, you can see he's asking me for ISO. So just click on others, and just go back to where you have downloaded or copied your data. Select this. Done. Now once it is done here, uncheck this box which says proceed with unattended installation. Then you click on yeah, here there is nothing to be chosen there. Then you just move ahead with specify virtual machine hardware. So right now, like I said, my PC doesn't have heavy RAM or CPUs. Since it has only 8 GB of RAM, I've chosen 2 GB, but it is better to choose 4 GB. So my PC doesn't work with 4 GB, so that is the reason I've chosen 2 GB. Right. Next one, you see how many CPUs I have? 2. You choose minimum 2 CPUs. I got total 4 CPUs, out of which I'm choosing 2. Once it is done, I have chosen memory as well as your CPUs. Then next option will be virtual hard disk. You see 20 GB of hard disk space. Select this, click on finish. And immediately you'll see something like this. And you click on start. A pop-up window will open, and that shows, can you see here? It shows powering VM up. I'll just wait for a minute. Let's check what happens there. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Yeah, my PC is kind of slow. Yeah. Can you see here? It has started here, and this is very important point. See, can you see my mouse cursor can move around here? Can you see my mouse cursor can move around here? And this doesn't work, or you know, it is not gonna activate inside your VM. In order for you to enter this VM environment, click on that particular screen. When I say screen, on this screen, which says Red Hat VirtualBox, he'll ask you to capture something. That means you will be entering into your virtual machine environment. And at any point of time, if you want to leave this virtual machine environment, click on right control, right? But right now, I want to enter there, click on capture. As you can see, my mouse cursor has entered that place. But let me close this. See, now I can move around here with my arrows. I'm going to select install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10, hit enter. I just have to wait there for a minute. Yeah, it is working. It has to work. Just wait there for a minute. Let me close this thing. See, my mouse cursor is still inside this one, inside my VM. It doesn't allow me to come out. Just let me hit right click. As you can see, my mouse cursor has come back. Let me drag it to the middle so that it will be better visible, and I'll maximize it. Once it is done, I'll click on the screen. I'll enter the screen once again. I'm just waiting for the setup to show up. So it is trying to start it. See, one more thing I want to mention. It is better to create a Red Hat account. Of course, it is a free account. Please go and sign up for the Red Hat free tier account or Red Hat free account so that you can download this OS, Red Hat RHEL 10 version, right? Of course, it is free, of course. Just register there and you download this option. Just have to wait for a minute. Yeah, he'll show up something like this. First, select your language. This is for language selection. Click on continue. Hit continue button. Like I said, my PC is kind of slow. Just wait for a minute. Now, once it is done, see all the options are already selected or automatically selected. You just click on installation destination. It has also been automatically selected already. Click on just done. It's just asking you to confirm it. Then you have to set up a root account. Don't disable it, just enable it. I'm going to choose a passcode as 1 and 1. Numerical number 1 is my passcode. As you can see, this is my passcode. And you choose allow root SSH login with passcode. And as you can read here, passcode is too short. You will have to press done twice to confirm it. So I'm going to do the same thing. Then immediately he's going to ask you to create a different user. I'm going to create user under my name. Then I'm going to click on begin installation. All right, viewers, that's it. Once the installation is completed, you need to reboot the system. That's it, done. All right, thank you guys.